I am looking for some artists from Trinidad and the other islands them. So there is an open call for some artists to step up. Cause countryman want to produce some artists and produce some different music for Trinidad. You understand? Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on it. You did that video. Now I want to big up my brethren from VI. Me I call him S-Man. S-Man, big up yourself. You know who me attack. Now, this is about these genius talking about a Trinidad Sting. And this are 6 Dan and couple other man I talk about if them should have a Trinidad Sting. But before me play that clip there and then discuss it, we wanna think about it. But one of the man them know say, yo, countryman I look for some Trinidad artists and artists from all over the Caribbean. It's an open call. We have rhythm, we have some A1 producer, and we want to put out some music in the Trinidad genre. But me have an idea for the kind of music we want to drop in the genre. And I think it will work because, like me I say, me I do this for the youths them. I want the youths them know say, yo, violence is not the way. Killing each other is not the way. And me don't want people at Trinidad feel like, yo, countryman I hater. Like me say, Jamaica first, Trinidad first, Caribbean first. Let's go.
So you think if Trinidad is to have Trinidad Sting, you think that would be a good idea or a bad idea?
But that could be both. It correct is right. Correct is right.
So you're saying, so alright, so if it is your time, if let me say if we have a Trinidad Sting, right? You're saying you're supposed to have like real security to escort men or artists from point A to point B because you're saying it could risk men getting killed for that shit? Or
alright, what they're going in order for that to run smoothly.
I think it's a good idea if you have the Trinidad Sting. It would be a very technical show, given the fact that the youth them at Trinidad, them like kill off each other. But if me did I go do the Trinidad Sting, I make the man them know say, listen, no gun thing, a pure love thing. The man them can do them lyrics, perform, but no gun thing. So like one of the youth say, security would have to be paramount. But security and respect. If you do that, you'd have to have a neutral person who knows say, listen, when we put out for the artists and the different artists them for come perform and participate in the Trinidad Sting, we know say, yo, we not deal with no violence. No man can bring them big gun come there, none of that. And also, they would have to reach out to enough of the Jamaican artists, reggae artists internationally, locally in Jamaica and the Caribbean, and highlight and showcase the Trinidad Sting. So, I think it's a good idea. But at present time, with the mentality of the man them and how them take things, it might be very difficult to bring this across. Cause I know say if you say, listen, Trinidad Sting, man I go line up, but them have to sign a contract or agree to no shooting, no violence. Because you hear what the youth say, if them keep that Trinidad Sting, them man I go dead. Me and one of my dog from Trinidad, Trinibad Sting, me and him talk about it. And I make a joke say, yo, if them keep a Trinidad Sting, it's gonna be a moving target, man, a life target. But it was a kind of joke, and I kind of believed that at that time. But after analyzing this thing, I think it would be a good look for Trinidad. Yeah, so yeah, I agree. The Trinidad Sting can work. It just have to be done in a certain way, and the artists them have to know to listen. Nobody bring no violence come here, so. Come perform and showcase your talent to the world. And that's how I feel about it. With that said, I want to listen this. Girl from Trinidad not top call me name. Me hear them a chat bout countryman fame. Me hear them a chat bout countryman game. Girl a style out, pan me jet plane. Girl a wild out, pan me gold train. 10,000 gal, me having a the camp. All hot gal, know me na ramp. Send the terror gal, out of Baghdad. Countryman, me a go get a stab so. I am looking for some artists from Trinidad and the other islands them. So there is an open call for some artists to step up. Cause countryman, I want to produce some artists and produce some different music for Trinidad. You understand?